Hey there, and welcome to our video about how NextJS helps in building SEO-friendly websites with increased performance. If you're new to web development and SEO, don't worry, we'll explain everything in a simple and engaging way. Before we get started, we would like to thank you for watching this video on Sruta channel. If you found this content helpful and informative, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more videos like this one. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified when we post new content. Did you know that Google takes page load speed into account when ranking websites in search results? That's where NextJS comes in. It can help you build a website that loads fast and is optimized for search engines. What is NextJS? NextJS is a React-based framework for building server-side rendered (SSR) web applications. That might sound like a lot of technical jargon, but basically, it's a tool that makes it easier to create fast and dynamic web pages with modern technology. Benefits of NextJS for SEO. So, why is NextJS good for SEO? Server-side rendering. NextJS makes it easy to create a website that can be easily crawled and indexed by search engines. This means that your website is more likely to show up higher in search results. Automatic code splitting. NextJS automatically splits your code into smaller chunks, which makes your website load faster. Did you know that the average user expects a website to load in just 2 seconds? If your website takes longer, they might leave and never come back. Static site generation. NextJS can also generate static pages, which can make your website even faster. Google recommends a website's time to first byte, TTFB, to be less than 200 milliseconds. NextJS can help you achieve that. Automatic image optimization. NextJS also optimizes your images for performance, which can reduce the time it takes for your website to load. Did you know that 47% of users expect a website to load in just 2 seconds or less? NextJS is a great tool for web developers who want to create a fast and SEO-friendly website. With its built-in features like server-side rendering, code splitting, static site generation, and automatic image optimization, it can help you achieve better rankings in search results and provide a better user experience. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave a comment below. We love hearing from our viewers, and we'll do our best to answer your questions in upcoming videos. And if you know someone who would benefit from this content, please share this video with them. Your support helps us grow our community and create more valuable content for everyone. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.